I made up the small little saddle in between No Name Lakes and Lower Cutthroat Lake, and we're about to go fish Upper Cutthroat Lake in the Wind River Range. And this is just absolutely stunning up here.
There's a cold wind blowing through the woods tonight, telling tales of a time long ago. And the rain falls down on this tiny one-horse town, changing the wrong and the right, turning the darkness into light. And the answers you've been looking for were there all along, and the magic that you thought you lost never really gone.
What's up, everybody? Wick here again. Thanks for coming back to the channel. The latest video I've got for you is footage I took from a 5-day, 4-night trip in Wyoming's Wind River Range from back in August of 2024. It's a trip that started out very much pre-planned to be a Yellowstone trip. I pulled the permit in early April, talked to several old friends of mine and committing to that particular week to come all the way out west and do this trip. But as the trip got closer and closer, everybody's reservations were the same, despite the fact that fire weather was getting worse, smoke was getting worse, and fire bans were getting worse all across Yellowstone. So we knew we were going to be in Jackson, but we needed a new plan, and we pretty quickly pivoted into a Wind River trip that turned out to be fantastic. We started out at Green River Lakes Trailhead, went south on the Highline Trail, which doubles as the CDT. Eventually made the call to go up and over Green River Pass to Summit Lake, and then on past No Name Lakes, Cutthroat Lake, down Palmer Canyon, past Palmer Lake, to the junction with the New Fork River, and then eventually up and out Porcupine Pass. We did a lot of fishing on this trip. Met up with a good friend of ours who's Jackson based, who managed to make it out for the last 2 days of the trip, and generally just had a wonderful, wonderful time. So here's what I've got. Here's the footage. I wasn't shooting at the time with the intentions of making a video, but and looking back on it a year and a half later, it was too good not to put out in some format. So here it is. Check it out. Let me know what you think, and cheers, everybody. Square Top Mountain, Upper Green River Lakes, Wind River Range in Wyoming, Bridger Wilderness.
I wonder if we bring the horse up, if they literally just drag it, or if they need those some stuff. Oh, I saw it hit right next to the log there. Close to the log, closer than I thought.
Fish on! Green River Pass, 10,360 feet. It's Glover Peak. Looking over the top of Summit Lake. And here we got Mount Oneus, I think it's pronounced. That's a really pretty sunset. Glover Peak, up here above Summit Lake, Green River Valley, Wind River Range. I made up the small little saddle in between No Name Lakes, Lower Cutthroat Lake, and we are about to go fish Upper Cutthroat Lake here in the Wind River Range. And this is just absolutely stunning up here. Almost the top of Porcupine Pass. About 10,560 feet. Upper Porcupine Creek Meadows right now. Looking for a place to camp because this place is just spectacular. Can get camp, do a little evening fishing. Upper Porcupine Creek Meadows right now. Looking for a place to camp because this place is just spectacular. Can get camp, do a little evening fishing.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Well, it's fucking worth it for sure.
Good skin all at once.
Look at that.
Pulled the skin
I don't know
off.
if I
That
can
was
do the
legit.
bones on this one. It's like kind of thick.